Transmission media. Transmission medium is a physical path between the transmitter and the receiver is used to transmit network traffic. Transmission media discussed are LAN technologies, network cabling and network topologies. LAN technologies. Local area network, LAN, is a data communication network connecting various terminals or computers within a building or limited geographical area. Widely used LAN technologies are Ethernet and wireless LAN. Ethernet is based on the IEEE 802.3 standard and is the most common LAN technology in use. It is so popular because it allows low-cost network implementation and is easy to understand, implement, and maintain. Ethernet operates in two layers of the OSI model, the physical layer and the data link layer. Ethernet LANs consist of network nodes and interconnecting media or link. Network nodes can be of two types: data terminal equipment, DTE, and data communication equipment, DCE. Data terminal equipment, DTE, are endpoint devices employed to convert user information into signals or reconvert received signals. Examples of data terminal equipment, DTE, are personal computers, workstations, file servers, and print servers. Data communication equipment, DCE, are intermediate network devices receive and forward frames across the network. Data communication equipment, DCE, devices are repeaters, network switches, and routers. Ethernet is categorized by data transfer rate and distance. Fast Ethernet transfer data at a rate of 100 Mbps. Gigabit Ethernet transfer data at a rate of 1000 Mbps, 1 Gbps. 10 Gigabit Ethernet transfer data at a rate of 10 Gbps, 10,000 Mbps. Wireless LAN. Two basic modes of Wi-Fi are infrastructure mode and ad hoc mode. In infrastructure mode, mobile access points like laptops connect via wireless routers with access points. The connections serve as an entry point or bridge to a wired private network or directly to an internet connection. In ad hoc mode, mobile units transmit directly with each other or in a peer-to-peer interconnection. Network cabling. Network cabling types are coaxial cable, twisted pair cables and fiber optics cable. Invented in the 1880s, coaxial cable was best known as the kind of cable that connected television sets to home antennas. Coaxial cable is also a standard for 10 Mbps Ethernet cables. Twisted pair emerged during the 1990s as the leading cabling standard for Ethernet, starting with 10 Mbps, later followed by improved versions for 100 Mbps and successively higher speeds up to 10 Gbps. Ethernet twisted pair cables contain up to 8 wires wound together in pairs to minimize electromagnetic interference. Two primary types of twisted pair cable have been defined: unshielded twisted pair, UTP, and shielded twisted pair, STP. Instead of insulated metal wires transmitting electrical signals, fiber optic cables use strands of glass and pulses of light. Network topologies. Network topology is the arrangement with which computer systems or network devices are connected to each other. Topology of networks are ring, bus, star, and mesh. Ring topology forms a ring connecting a devices with its exactly two neighboring devices. Bus topology is a network type in which every computer and network device is connected to single cable. It transmits the data from one end to another in single direction. No bidirectional feature is in bus topology. In star topology, all the devices are connected to a single hub through a cable. This hub is the central node and all other nodes are connected to the central node. In mesh topology, every device is connected to another device via a particular channel.